guys, welcome back to another crazy
What's up?
video. And today we're gonna make some slime.
Yeah, this cornstarch and sugar.
So first we need 1 spoon of cornstarch.
Where did you get the spoon?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. When do you not know where it is?
And I hope you like and
it.
subscribe. I hope you liked and subscribe.
for me.
Oh right, forgot. Okay, so you need 1 spoon of cornstarch. Make sure to do this at home.
Yeah, do not do it outside.
1 spoon of cornstarch, please.
If you do it outside,
Well,
you might not make slime.
well, the sun is gonna. Well, it doesn't matter. Just
It
I
might
hope
fire.
you can do this at home. Just you need
Just
cornstarch,
do it inside home.
and now we need 2.
Tablespoons of sugar.
No, salt. We need 2 spoons of salt.
Yes,
That's 1
salt.
and 2. Now 1,
This slime is gonna be good.
2. Okay.
What about the glue?
No, we don't need glue. Okay, now grab the camera. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Well, we have to do 1 at a time. Okay, so we go up here, we open it.
As we're opening the microwave. What is this?
Now we need to put it inside for 1 minute.
Oh, God! You put it in 1 minute. Make sure.
Start.
You can do it the other way, how you make slime.
Okay, so.
Okay, I got some on here. Put it down here anyway.
Okay.
So while we're waiting, we'll do slime.
While we're waiting, we're just gonna chill.
Okay. Have you hit that like button?
If you haven't clicked the like button, you're gonna get bad luck for 100 years. I hope
Take it chill. Actually, 99 years, and also you will get banned from Fortnite. Ooh, you better hit that.
Yeah, you hit that like button. And also, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for all notifications. And here we go. Okay, let's see. 35 seconds.
Anyways, so how we got really good at making videos is we pretended the mirror was like
Yeah.
the recording. Oh, it's done. It's done.
Okay, so now open it. Now I need a glove.
Oh my God, that thing is burned.
Okay,
Mommy, wait, what does it look like?
now we need to put it inside the fridge.
Wait. Show the viewers how it looks like.
It looks like a little powder.